Ever thought about turning a simple idea into a thriving empire? It's not just the stuff of legends. With the right steps, it's entirely possible for you too. In today's guide, we'll unravel the 5 pivotal steps to kickstart your very first business. From the spark of conceptualization to the thrill of scaling, we've got the roadmap you've been seeking. Stick around, because what we're about to dive into isn't just business theory. It's the blueprint that could transform your entrepreneurial dreams into tangible reality. Trust us, by the end of this, you'll be looking at the business world with a brand new lens. Let the journey begin. Step 1. Conceptualize, or ideation. In the infancy of a business journey, the birth of an idea sets the stage. Ideas aren't just fleeting thoughts, they're revelations that can morph into successful businesses. Every bustling marketplace, every unsatisfied need in the community, and even personal experiences can be the soil where these seeds of ideas germinate. However, while ideas are abundant, the magic lies in aligning them with market demands. What are consumers yearning for? Where do current solutions fall short? A successful entrepreneur often possesses the ability to merge personal expertise and passion with these market needs. This alignment ensures the business's relevance and longevity in the market. Yet the true North Star guiding this ideation phase should be a commitment to problem solving. Ideas motivated by genuine customer issues, rather than mere personal gain, have a resonance that is both impactful and lasting. By ensuring a customer-first approach, a business idea starts on a foundation of genuine value and purpose. As an entrepreneur molds and nurtures the idea, a deeper exploration begins. Market research, competitor analysis, and industry trends start painting a clearer picture. This diligence ensures that the emerging business idea is not just a fleeting inspiration, but is grounded in reality. Continual refinement at this stage, shaped by both data and intuition, strengthens the foundation, ensuring that the subsequent steps in the business journey have a firm platform to launch from. Step 2. Assemble your MVP. Once the idea is crystallized, the next leap is to give it a tangible form. The minimum viable product, or MVP. Think of the MVP as the prototype of your grand vision, a version that encapsulates the essence of what you're offering, albeit in a scaled-down manner. But why start with an MVP? Because it's the bridge between an abstract idea and a real-world product. It allows for a soft launch, letting potential customers engage with your product or service. Feedback from this engagement is gold. It gives insights into what's working and what needs tweaking. Moreover, in today's digital era, creating an MVP is more accessible than ever. Whether it's a digital platform, a physical product, or a service, tools ranging from AI-driven applications to online webinars can facilitate and optimize this process. By leveraging these tools, entrepreneurs can efficiently navigate the MVP phase and set the stage for the subsequent steps. Beyond the initial feedback on the MVP, a more systematic approach is essential. Analysis tools and metrics come into play, tracking how users interact with the MVP and pinpointing areas of friction. This period is also a test for the entrepreneur's resilience and adaptability. It's not uncommon for the MVP to face challenges, but the entrepreneur's ability to pivot based on tangible data and user behavior determines the trajectory of the business idea as it progresses towards a full-fledged product. Step 3. Shape your product toward market fit. With the MVP out in the wild, the next step is refinement. No product, however well thought out, is perfect from its inception. Customer feedback, market dynamics, and real-world application often shed light on areas of improvement. It's here that entrepreneurs need to be agile, adapting their offering based on real-world data. Achieving market fit isn't just about tweaking the product. It's a dance between the offering and the market until they're in perfect sync. Every feedback loop, every critique, and even praises provide directional cues. Many iconic products we see today have undergone numerous iterations before becoming market favorites. Stories of businesses pivoting their product based on market response are legendary in the entrepreneurial world. These tales underscore the importance of being attuned to market signals and being flexible in product development. After all, the market dictates success, and businesses that listen and adapt are the ones that thrive. Post the iterative phase, a business stands at a crossroads. The decisions made now are pivotal. It's not just about making minor tweaks anymore. Sometimes a significant overhaul might be in order. Entrepreneurs might find themselves revisiting the drawing board, reimagining features, or even redefining their target audience. This phase, while daunting, is also exhilarating. It's akin to sculpting, where each stroke, each modification, brings the product closer to perfection, setting the stage for the grand unveiling to the market. Step 4. Launch your product. The culmination of ideation, prototyping, and refining leads to this pivotal moment, the product launch. This step is a blend of strategy, timing, and marketing prowess. It's about introducing the product to the world, But more importantly, it's about making the world take notice. Effective product launches often employ a mix of marketing strategies. Paid advertisements might cast a wide net, but authentic partnerships with influencers can add a personal touch to the campaign. With the digital age in full swing, the avenues to reach potential customers are numerous, from social media blitzes to viral video campaigns. Yet beyond strategies and tactics, the undercurrent driving a successful product launch is the narrative. How does the product fit into the lives of its consumers? The interplay of emotion, logic, and urgency in this narrative can make the difference between a lackluster launch and a blockbuster debut. Once the product is out, the real work begins. Monitoring the reception, understanding consumer behavior, and gathering post-launch feedback become paramount. The data amassed during this period is invaluable. While the launch is a significant milestone, it is by no means the end. The post-launch phase is a feedback loop where businesses can understand their market position better, identify potential partnerships, and discover unforeseen market opportunities. The insights garnered now will inform the next phase, guiding the expansion and scaling strategy. Step 5. Expand and scale. Achieving initial success is exhilarating, but resting on laurels in the dynamic world of business is a perilous strategy. Expansion and scaling are the next frontiers. Whether it's broadening the product range, entering new markets, or even diversifying into new sectors, growth is the lifeblood of a long-lasting enterprise. Scaling is not just about size, but also about depth. A deeper penetration into existing markets, enhancing product features, or even refining the business model can all be facets of this growth journey. It's about constantly evolving, ensuring that the business remains relevant and ahead of the curve. However, as businesses scale, new challenges emerge. Navigating these complex waters often requires expertise and guidance. This is where CEO coaches, mentors, and business advisors come into play. Their experience, network, and insights can be the beacon guiding businesses towards sustained and meaningful growth. With the wheels of expansion in motion, new territories beckon, and fresh challenges arise. Each new market or product iteration brings its own set of nuances. For businesses, this means understanding different cultural preferences, adapting to diverse regulatory environments, or tailoring marketing strategies. But with every challenge overcome, the business fortifies its position, weaving a tapestry of diverse markets, products, and audiences. The journey of scaling, thus, is not just about growth in numbers, but also about maturity in depth and breadth. In wrapping up our discussion on initiating a business, it's evident that the journey from ideation to expansion is both systematic and dynamic. Each step, when approached with diligence and insight, contributes significantly to the foundation and growth of an enterprise. While these guidelines offer a structured path, the unique nuances of your venture will define its trajectory. As you move forward, leverage these steps as a framework, but always prioritize the distinct needs and vision of your enterprise. Here's to a purposeful and prosperous business journey ahead. Success awaits those who are prepared, persistent, and proactive.